In this video, I'll guide you on how to use the Adobe Scan app. If you want to scan documents easily, this video is for you. Adobe Scan is a free mobile app that turns your smartphone into a portable scanner. It allows you to scan receipts, notes, business cards, and more. To get started, download the Adobe Scan app from the Play Store or App Store. Once you open it, you'll see options like whiteboard, book, document, ID card, and business card. Choose the type of document you want to scan. Place the document in front of your camera and tap the screen to scan. You can also upload a document by tapping the photo icon and selecting a file. After scanning, you can retake the photo, crop, rotate, or apply filters. Premium users can also edit text. Once you're done, you can save the document as a PDF by tapping Save PDF. If you want to unlock premium features, you can start a 7-day free trial. To view your saved scans, tap the home icon at the top left. That's it. You can now use Adobe Scan to easily scan any document. If this helps. If it did, consider subscribing my channel. It really supports me. Thanks for watching.